This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make perfect eggs on a stainless steel pan, step by step. First, let's prepare your pan for a non-stick experience. Place your stainless steel pan over medium-low heat and let it warm up for about 2 to 3 minutes. This ensures even heat distribution. Next, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of butter or your preferred cooking oil. Swirl the fat around to completely coat the bottom surface of the pan. Now that your pan is perfectly prepped, it's time to add the eggs. Gently crack your eggs directly into the pan, being careful not to break the yolks. Allow them to cook undisturbed for approximately 2 to 3 minutes. You'll know they are ready for the next step when the egg whites are firm and opaque and the yolks are just beginning to set around the edges. Once the whites are set, you have a couple of options for finishing your eggs. If you prefer over easy, gently slide your spatula under the eggs and flip them, cooking for an additional 30 seconds. For sunny side up, simply cover the pan with a lid for about 1 minute. This steams the top of the eggs, setting the whites without flipping, ensuring your yolks are perfectly runny. Your delicious eggs are now ready. Carefully slide them from the pan onto your serving plate. To make cleanup a breeze while the pan is still warm, add about a 1/4 cup of water to deglaze it. This helps lift any stuck-on bits. Then, simply wash the pan with warm, soapy water and a soft sponge. Enjoy your perfectly cooked eggs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.